Hello everyone and welcome to the first video of 2020. It's crazy to think we're officially in a new decade, and I think we should celebrate with this look inspired by another, because hate it or love it, 2000s fashion has been coming back with a vengeance. So today I will be showing you how to achieve this frosty look. I've already laid down my base and my eyebrows, so I'm going straight into priming my eyes. We're going to be using very light shadows, so this step is crucial for making those colors pop. Next, take a white matte shadow and pack it into and above your crease. Then dip into a matte seafoam blue and pack that onto your lid. With a flat liner brush, drag the color down to your lower lash line. Smoke the color out and don't forget to blend your crease. Using an angled liner brush this time, line the outer edge of your upper and lower lash line thinly with a navy blue shadow. Let's take a break from the eyes and move on to the rest of the look. Here I'm using a salmon nude lipstick and dotting it on my cheeks, as well as my nose, and blending out for a flushed cheek look. Now that some color has been added to the face, let's get back into those eyes by dipping into a baby pink shadow with silver reflex. Be sure to use a clean finger. This is what will give your eyes that frosty look. Using that same metallic color, press the shadow over your lipstick. This will add unity to the look. Lastly, highlight your inner corners and the high points of your face, and apply your favorite mascara to finish up. Now you're ready to get on stage and live your early 2000s pop star daydream. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go so you can keep up with my videos the whole entire year.